you need to stop your children when they say p. Okay, it's p. Pen. Pen, not pen. It's pen. Okay, so what happens is children, when they learn the sound way, they usually pronounce the letter P as P. But when they grow older, when they reach higher classes, I don't know, they forget these. And then they start saying pen, paper. It's not pen, paper, but pen, paper. Okay. Next word is cat. The first phoneme is very good. Okay. So students need to know that the letter C has two sounds. Two sounds. So usually what you find is when the letter C is followed by E, I, Y, you have the second sound. So this is something we have already done when I took session on language facts, English language facts. So if you look at that, yeah, you will come to know. So the letter C has two sounds. Okay, the second sound, okay, usually is produced when you have the vowel E, I, Y after the letter C. Okay, and then you have the last word here, lock. So what is the first phoneme, first sound for this? Okay. So restrict children from saying la. Okay, it's not la. Oh, all of us know that, right? The sound for the letter L is oo. Okay. Okay, the second one. What is the last sound in dog? The same words I have here. Now, what is the last sound? Right now, it's easy for you because you can see the print, right? So phonemic awareness activity is usually done in a way orally in class. So if you ask children, what is the last sound in dog? G. Good, right? G. G. Okay, so second word, dog. The second word, for fish, what is the last sound?
Two letters.
Two letters. Okay. So here, since we can see the print FISH, so sometimes if you just if a child just looks at the word, he or she might feel that H, okay, is the last sound. But when we speak this word, okay, so we don't have separate sound for S and H, isn't it? The S and H together here produces one sound, right? Sh. So the last sound for the word fish is sh. Okay, sh. Last sound for pen. Yes, good. Cat. Lock. Yeah. So the k is not produced by the K only, but C and K together. This is two letter k. Now, what you will see is in sound wave program later on when you learn, we have 75 phonic communicators. Okay, and the sound k is produced not just by the letter K, C also, and we have the two letter k, that is C and K. These two consonant together. Okay. Okay, so this is phoneme isolation.